Hello children. Today we are going to learn the letter K. Let's look at the picture and learn the words that start with the letter K. K for king. K for kettle. K for kangaroo. K for kitten. K for key. This is the letter K. Reading fun. Now, let's read a short story together. A king is standing right next to the kettle. The kitten's eyes focused on key and kangaroo. STEAM activities. Let's do some fun activities together. S. Tell the students kangaroo has a pouch. There she looks after her babies. T. Listen to the letter K by watching video. E. Create the letter K with Play-Doh. A. Provide a worksheet with a sketch of a kettle. Ask the students to color the kettle using a crayons. M. Count the objects beginning with the sound of K around you. Word building. Let's spell and read these words. K-E-N, ken. K-I-D, kid. K-E-Y, key. Well done, children. Goodbye.